it? It's okay. Yeah. So that's all about my account page, login page, and home page. And next, let's write for the registration page. This is the very crucial. So let me take, because we are doing a data-driven testing here, registration page. I'll just take here, this test case. We are doing a data-driven with Excel. So we are doing a data-driven with Excel. So product search, otherwise we can take a product search. Because this is the bigger one, maybe we can finish this one. Yeah, we can finish this one. I'll take this test case, okay? So registration we'll do tomorrow. Okay. Okay, to change to right login page. Okay. So here, product details page test. Product details page means, you know, right? So here you will select one of the product here and it will go to the product. This is the product details page. So only that product related information and number of images we are validating, and this data we are doing, and all this data we are getting, and that's what we are doing, right? Now, see, before class, we need a home page because you need to start from home page, right? Home page, then login page, then you will go to my account page, and then no, you need while logging out page, and the results page. When you search, it will go to results page. From results page, you are selecting the product, right? Then you will go to product details page. So this is the actual main flow. Now here, you navigate to login page and do the login, perform the login. That's the one time is enough for me, right? One time is enough. After that, so see a data provider. We are using a data provider, product image test data. So each product, how many images are there? So now this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 4 images for MacBook. So that's what MacBook Pro so has 4. MacBook Air is having 4. So like this, you can give all the search keyword MacBook, and again, so the product name MacBook Pro. So let me show you MacBook Pro. Go back into the search. So you can see here, MacBook Pro is there, MacBook Air is there. So click on MacBook Pro. How many images are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we have given here, 4. So first search keyword, what is the search you are using for perform the search? So this is the keyword. Then which product you are selecting? The selected product is this one. So MacBook Pro we selected, MacBook Air we are selecting. Then, so this number of, so these things. And iMac, and this is the same product. So the images, the number of images are 3. You can see that this is the iMac. See how many images? 3 images. So that's the one. And Samsung. So Samsung, if you search, so just search for Samsung. Say Samsung. So we selected this one, right? Master 941B. So this one. So select this one. Now number of images, 1 only. Only 1. Okay. Samsung Sync Master, this one. Apple, then search with Apple. So Apple, you have only one, Apple Cinema 30. Apple Cinema 30. because this is the inches, that inches also we are giving that. See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. 6 we have given. The search keyword, the which product you are selecting, and then number of images. So that's the data provider annotation. How many columns here? Can you tell me how many columns here? How many columns?
Three columns. 3 columns.
3, exactly, right? 3 parameters. Here 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So this is the one row. Each curly bracket is one row. Second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. That means 5 rows and 3 columns, 5 by 3 matrix. So then perform the product search. So search keyword, then select the product name in the search result space. This second parameter I am giving, select product method. So we have a result space, select product method, this one, right? You have to give product name. So that's what we are giving. Next. So you get the actual count. How many are there? So we have method already, get product image count. So product details page dot get product image count, and that you can store it here. Then you can compare asset dot asset equals actual product image count and this image count. So this is your actual, okay? This is your actual, and this is the, sorry, this is your expected, and this is your actual. So actual is always coming from web pages, and this one is expected. So both you are comparing. So that's a one test case. This is the data-driven testing. Next test case 2, product metadata test. So product metadata, one of the product you take, okay? So one of the product you take, and then, so, and you can perform the, so map of string, actual product of, so info map, product details page dot get product information, and soft asset I'm using. See, this is the soft asset. So soft asset dot asset equals actual product info dot get brand. So it should be Apple. Product code you have. Can you see this? Product code. So this one, and reward points. See, reward points, availability. So this one, and actual price. So this is the actual price. So that is the one. But I took this MacBook Pro. Okay, MacBook Pro I have taken. So asset all I used it. Can you see this? Soft asset I have used it a second time. Soft asset. Because soft asset is, basically it will help you, even though one of them fails also, it won't stop there. It will continue. That's the reason you can use a soft asset. It will verify. But the hard asset, what it will do? Hard asset will stop there only your program execution. But you don't want to stop your test case, even somewhere fails. You want to continue, you can use it in the verifications. In the verifications, you don't want to stop. You want to continue further. In the verifications, use soft asset instead of hard asset. You can use a try-catch block also, but instead of that, so TestNG provided a soft asset in the assertions. So unnecessarily, we don't want to fail in the assertions, right? We don't want to stop. We have to verify. But verification after, it should not terminate our program execution. In order to do that, you go for the soft asset. Okay? And so we're doing a logout. Just do the logout. So that's the one test case. Let's run this test case quickly, and tomorrow we'll do the registration. Registration is a big test case. I don't want to waste time that. It's not enough. And stng. Yeah. Now let's run this test case. Run as testng suit. So we are using suit file now. Still, I haven't explained how to run from form.xml. Form.xml we'll see tomorrow. We have class this Saturday, Sunday also. Mostly we'll finish by this Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, we can start the API testing. So how to do API testing with the Postman first, and then I'll show you REST assured. REST assured automation, how to write using same APIs, we'll practice. So I'll take two set of public APIs for practice. Then we'll do that is for even I'll include a second batch also. It's a common for all. It will more time if you practice, it will be helpful. This one we need to handle this. It's not handling. So you have to use escape, okay? Just whenever you are, just see where you are getting this and do the escape. So actions class use, and then act dot send keys of keys dot escape dot perform. So it will be done. Already we have written, right? Same you can, otherwise you can create one method and that method you can call. Instead of writing same code every time. So this kind of duplicate things, if it is repeating, take out that entire code and create a method. That method you can reuse. You should not write same code multiple times. Such cases, create a function. WebDriver code reusing, right? That's it. Okay, and there are 3 test cases failed. Oh, so why these are failed? We'll see that, okay? So next class we'll see that. Srinivas.